In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today I'll show you how to grade in Google Sheets on desktop. By the end, you'll have a clean, automatic grading setup that turns raw scores into letter grades without any manual sorting. Start by opening your Google Sheet on a desktop browser. The desktop view gives you the full toolbar and makes formulas and formatting easier to manage. Open an existing sheet or create a new blank one, and make sure you have editing access. In the sheet, place student names in column A and their scores in column B. It's helpful to add headers in row 1, like name and score, so everything stays organized. As you enter scores, type them as numbers, not text, so 87 or 92.5, without extra symbols. Keep your scoring system consistent. If your scale is out of 100, stick to that for all entries. Next, we'll turn those scores into letter grades using a simple formula. Click into cell C2 and enter this formula exactly. OIF B2 90, A IF B2 80, B IF B2 70, C IF B2 60, D F. This checks the score in B2 and assigns a grade based on common cutoffs. You can adjust those thresholds later if your grading scale is different, but this is a solid default most people use. Press Enter, and you should see the correct grade appear for that first student. Now apply the same logic to the rest of your list. With C2 still selected, hover over the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell, known as the fill handle. When your cursor becomes a plus sign, click and drag down to fill the formula for all students. If your names and scores are in a continuous list, you can also double-click the fill handle, and Sheets will auto-fill down the column to match the length of your data. Take a quick scan to confirm the grades look right. If you want to make the grades easier to read at a glance, add optional conditional formatting. Select column C, or just the range that contains grades, then go to Format, Conditional Formatting. Add rules so that cells with A appear green, B in light green, C in yellow, D in orange, and F in red, or choose a color scheme that works for you. This doesn't change the grades, it simply highlights them for quicker interpretation. And that's how you grade in Google Sheets on desktop. You've entered names and scores, built a clear letter grade formula, filled it down for everyone, and optionally color-coded the results for readability. Save your sheet, and you're ready to share or analyze your class data with confidence.